Hello, this is Jeremy Korzeniewski with an Autoblog Shortcut. We are here with the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas, the new VW 7-passenger 3-row crossover. This model right here is an SEL Premium. Has 20-inch wheels. Take a look inside. It has a digital gauge cluster and a large infotainment screen here in the center. Leather interior. This model is the middle bench in the rear. Captain's chairs are also an option. I'll show you that right now. This is also an SEL Premium with the black leather seating surfaces and two captain chairs or benches, or excuse me, buckets instead of a middle bench. Both of these are SEL Premium models. Over here, this gray vehicle is a standard SEL, not the Premium. These are 18-inch wheels instead of the 20-inch wheels. And inside, notice that it has a traditional gauge cluster instead of the digital package. Still a large touchscreen in the center, but it does not come with standard navigation. That is an option, but it does come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So even if you don't opt for the navigation system from the factory, you can still connect your smartphone to the VW Atlas and use its services. All right.